Hi, today I'm in yoongtu.com homes and I'm making a Shaptse, and Shaptse is a Tibetan names and we call it in English in beef and vegetables. And for example, traditionally in Tibetan people in Tibet we don't eat that many vegetables because Tibet is the highest platform in the world, and so we don't grow up that much vegetables, and we always get meat like a yak. Y-A-K, yak is one of the famous animal in Tibet. The ingredients are Shaptse earth, 2 pounds of beef. You can use any kind of beef, but I'm using today sirloin steak, and half of Chinese cabbage, and half of red onions. You can use any kind of red onions, and 1 of tomatoes, and half tablespoon of salt, and 3 cubes of garlic, and 2 of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and the pan is hot, and you can just put meat like that. I love it. This sound I like it. This sound I like it. Okay, I can fry stir fry for 2 minutes each side. Then after that I can put in the oven 375 for 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, meat should be like that. Okay, after 2 minutes, and the meat goes for the oven 375 degrees and for the 10 minutes. A Chinese cabbage, I can use half of this. Okay. When you use the vegetable, any kind of vegetable, the stem and the tops, you have to use, when you cook, you have to cook all the time different ways. The stem is little, it takes more time to cook, and the green one, it cooks very fast. So green one you just need for the 30 seconds, and the stem one you need 1 minute. And I can chop like that. That's it. Okay, bring the skin like this. Sorry, it's jumped somewhere. It's a miracle. Garlic. Okay, I have a 3 cube of garlic. Then this one I can just cut in small pieces. Now I can cut the onions. I needed onion should be like a slice, like a vegetable is a slice. So I can go to onion slice. That's it, onion. Then I can tomatoes. I can cut it like pieces, small pieces, because I don't have to cook the tomato whole way. I can garnish all the tomato on the end, so I don't have to cook the tomatoes. That's okay. This is spring onions, and I can dice it small pieces. That's it for the spring onion. Now we can go bring the beef and slice it and cook these vegetables. After 10 minutes and beef become like that, then you can saute it later. Okay, the pan is hot. In the pan the meat have little juice, so I can bring it here. I can slice it. After like a 375 temperature and 10 minutes, beef comes like this color. The beef is super hot right now, but I'm a Iron Man. Now I start fire, and oil. The pan should be hot. Okay, now I put a little bit oil. Then I can fry the garlic and the onion first. And garlic and onion cook happy. Then I can wash it this guy. First I can use the stem cabbage. It takes little time to cook. Stem 1. Then 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. One teaspoon of salt. The Chinese cabbage, the stem, it will cook like a 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. You can cover it, and the stem themselves, the vegetable stem can cook themselves. Now I can put the beef here. Now I can cover the beef for like 2 minutes. Then I put the spring onions. Then I can mix it. Then before the leftover, some stock here. I can put it here. Then mix it. This is really very simple one. Then I can put the Chinese cabbage, the green one, on the top. Then I can put the tomatoes on the tops. When you cook any kind of vegetable, vegetable should be green in your eyes, and that is good for your heart. You can live long, like me, like my father. He is 81 years old, still he is eating a lot of green vegetables. He is very healthy and he is a very handsome guy. And enjoy, and thank you very much.